Hello, I'm attorney Joseph Niven. I'm here to answer the question, does it matter what the parent with custody makes when they calculate child support? The answer, as it often is it depends. The biggest chunk of child support is usually what's called the basic child support, which is meant to provide for children's basic needs like food, clothing, shelter, and school supplies. So when you calculate basic child support, usually the income of the custodial parent only matters when the combined parental income is above what's called the cap of $154,000 a year. Additionally, it could matter if there's a big disparity between the two parents' incomes. If the custodial parent earns much more than the non custodial parent, then the non custodial parent could ask to pay less in child support than they otherwise would. We're not talking about a difference of $80,000 a year and $70,000 a year. We're talking a difference of, let's say, $200,000 a year and $50,000 per year. Additionally, if the non custodial parent has a child living with them from another relationship and the mother of that child earns less than the custodial parent does, then the non custodial parent could ask to pay less child support to account for the fact that they have a child in a household that has fewer resources than the household would have been had the parent remained in a relationship with the parent that they're paying child support to. Additionally, there are what are called the add-on expenses. For unreimbursed medical expenses, this includes premiums for a child, co-pays, deductibles, let's say eyeglasses if that's not covered under insurance. Then the income of the custodial parent will matter when they decide how much the non-custodial parent has to contribute. Additionally, there's childcare, which has to be ordered on top of the basic child support if it's necessary to allow the custodial parent to work, go to school, or gain employment. The amount that the non custodial parent has to pay toward that will have to do with the income of the custodial parent. There's also education, which is usually private school or college. The court does not have to order a non custodial parent to contribute to it, but the courts often do. In those instances, the income of the custodial parent will matter. Additionally, very often the courts will order non custodial parents to contribute to extracurricular activities on top of their basic child support. In those cases, the amount the non custodial parent has to contribute will depend in part on the income of the custodial parent. If you have questions about this, please feel free to call our office at 347 642 0376. You can also reach us via our website at www.livinlaw.com. The first 30 minutes are always free.